Hi kids, it's Fire Chief Steve, back to watch another Firefighter Finn and Friends fun adventure. Today, Firefighter Finn and the kids will be looking at a treehouse to make sure it's safe for children to use. Remember, it's important to make sure you're safe when playing outside. Let's watch what happens.
Hey friends! Today we're doing something super cool, a treehouse safety inspection. This is my thermal camera. It sees heat, like having X-ray vision but for temperature. We want to help inspect. Yeah, teach us, Finn. Perfect! Every firefighter knows, safety first, fun second. Step 1, we always start at the bottom and work our way up. First, we check if the ladder is secure. See how I'm testing each rungs?
Like this, Finn?
Exactly! If it wobbles or feels loose, we don't climb. This one looks different, darker wood. Great eye, Juliet. Let's check the temperature. Blue means cool, could be water. Soft wood means rot. This rung needs replacing before anyone climbs here. We mark unsafe areas so nobody gets hurt.
What about this ladder, Finn?
Good thinking. We check every way up and down. Rope ladders need extra checking. We test the knots and the rope strength.
How do we check up there?
That's where the thermal camera really helps. See? Orange and red means the wood is dry and strong. Perfect! This ladder passes inspection. Now let's check the treehouse platform. Always climb with 3 points of contact. 2 hands and 1 foot, or 2 feet and 1 hand.
2 hands, 1 foot. 2 hands, 1 foot. I'll come up after you check it's safe.
Okay, I will. First thing, we check the floor. This is what holds our weight.
Okay, Finn.
First thing, we check the floor. This is what holds our weight.
Okay, Finn.
Listen for creaking or squeaking. That can mean loose boards.
What does the camera show about the floor?
Most of the floor is warm and dry. That's good. But this blue spot needs checking. It's damp but not rotten, probably from yesterday's rain. It'll dry out.
So it's safe?
Safe for now, but we'll keep an eye on it. Next, the walls. Walls should be solid. No wobbling or gaps where rain can get in.
Finn, I found a gap here.
Good find. Small gaps are normal. Wood expands and shrinks, but we check they're not getting bigger. Walls look great. No cold spots, no water. Perfect. Juliet, the floor and walls passed.
Yay, on my way.
Safety first, fun second.
Now we're all here. What's next, Finn?
Let's explore the tree. Yeah! The roof. This protects us from rain and sun, so it's super important.
What should the roof look like on thermal?
Different colors are okay. It's the same temperature as outside air, but leaks show up cold and dark.
Is that a leak?
Let's check closer. It's dry. Just a sunspot. That's where the sun hits strongest. Totally safe. Great teamwork. Let's review our checklist. Ladders checked, floor checked, walls checked, roof checked.
What about the railings, Finn? Don't we need to check those?
Excellent thinking. Railings keep us from falling. They should be solid and at least waist high. The connections look strong. No cold spots for moisture damage.
Why are these posts so close together?
So nobody can slip through. Safety spacing. See these bolts? They go all the way through and have nuts on the other side. Super secure.
No rust. That means they're still strong.
You're becoming a real inspector, Juliet. We've checked the structure. Now let's look for other hazards.
What about that branch?
Good eye. We check for branches that could poke someone. This one's smooth and not in the way of where we play. It's okay, but sharp or broken branches would need trimming.
Careful, there's a nail here.
Great catch. That's definitely a hazard. Always fix hazards right away. Now it's smooth and safe.
Do we need to check windows too?
Absolutely. Let me show you. Window frames should be smooth. No splinters or sharp edges that could cause scrapes. The thermal camera shows if air is leaking through cracks, but this window is sealed tight. Okay, team. Structure safe. Hazards Spetzlert.
The tree itself?
Right. The tree holds everything up, so we check if it's healthy.
What are you listening for?
Solid wood makes a firm sound. Hollow sounds mean trouble. Healthy trees show consistent temperature. This tree is strong and alive.
The bark is rough but not peeling off.
Perfect. Peeling bark can mean disease.
What about the branches up there? They hold part of the roof.
Let's check them. The branches show warm, healthy temperatures. And look, they're thick and strong.
That's everything! The treehouse has passed our safety inspection!
Yeah! Sparky, the treehouse is safe. Come on up. Okay, buddy, I'll help you up. One step at a time, Sparky. You're doing great.
Sparky's here! Now we can all celebrate together!
Remember, friends, thermal cameras help us see what our eyes can't.
Temperature tells us about safety. Can we do inspections on other things too?
Absolutely! You can inspect anything with these safety skills.
This is the best treehouse ever!
And now we know it's safe because we checked. Today we learned, always check ladders, floors, walls, roofs, railings, and the tree. Use your thermal camera when you have one. Safety inspections mean everyone can play without worry. That's what firefighters do. Keep people safe. Remember, friends, safety first, fun second. Bye!
Firefighter Finn, brave and true, keeping us safe is what he'll do. With Sparky, Juliet, and Lily too, safety and fun for me and you.
Well, kids, it looks like Firefighter Finn and friends gave the treehouse an important inspection. Now all the children can play in the treehouse safely. Parents, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot. Also, look for the Firefighter Finn book links in the description. Thank you.